Hi, this is Suraj Mati, and in this lesson we're going to learn about serial and parallel transmission. If you still remember, in the previous lesson we have talked about data transmission, and I have emphasized on that computers hold data in binary form using on and off switches, and each on and off signal represent one bit of data. Computers can turn this binary data into a stream of on and off signal which can be transmitted. This means signals are sent from one place to another through electrical pulses that travel down metal cables, pulses of light through a fiber optic cable, or even wireless signal. So today we're going to look at two different methods of transmission, serial and parallel transmission. Understand that data transmission is about movement of bits or information from devices or from computers to computers, or we can say from one electronic device to another. So modes of transmission can happen either using serial or parallel transmission. What is the meaning of serial data transmission? In serial data transmission, bits are sent sequentially, one after another, down the same wire or channel. Let's look at the diagram first. As you can see here, it requires only one wire, and the bits are going to be sent one after another sequentially from sender to receiver. We use a single wire. As such, it reduces costs but slows down the speed of transmission. Sending data sequentially is perfect for transmitting over long distances, as there are no synchronization issues. Other bits are sent in a particular order. There is no need for the bits to be reorganized at the receiver end. Therefore, there are no synchronization issues. Now, serial transmission, some of the common uses are transmission to another computer or external devices. It is used for medium to long distances, and most of the time we use it in USB, Universal Serial Bus. Now, let's take a look to parallel data transmission. Multiple bits are sent simultaneously down different wires or channels within the same cable. Data is synchronized by a clock. However, this becomes problematic over long distances where synchronization errors may start to occur. Using parallel wires is more expensive since we're going to use more wires, but transmission is obviously much faster. Let's take a look to a diagram. So parallel transmission, as you can see, it uses several wires and the bits are sent across one bit per wire. And at the receiver end, obviously, there is a need for some form of synchronization. So all bits are sent at once, making data transmission much faster. Now you can make a comparison between serial and parallel transmission. Serial transmission, we have a single wire. Bits are sent sequentially, whereas in parallel transmission, bits are sent all at once. So some of the common uses of parallel transmission. There's faster transmission within a computer system. It is obviously used for short distances, and it is mostly used in integrated circuits and buses. Okay, the first question: which of these methods is used for transmission to another computer or to external devices? So, serial data transmission or parallel data transmission? So obviously in this case the answer is serial data transmission, because we're speaking about long distances, and serial data transmission is a perfect method for doing this. Okay, so question number 2: multiple bits are sent simultaneously down different wires or channels within the same cable. So since we're asking about different wires here, there's the method again, which one it is, parallel or serial. So the answer is obviously parallel data transmission, because in parallel data transmission, multiple bits can be sent, and they are sent simultaneously, compared to serial data transmission, they are sent sequentially. And since we're using different wires, it must be parallel data transmission. Question number 3. Bits are sent sequentially, one after the other, down the same wire or same channel. So either it is parallel data transmission or serial data transmission. So the answer is, since it is same wire we're speaking about, it must be serial data transmission.